everyone, and welcome to another Charts of the Day video. My name is Eric. Today is the 15th of November around 10:40 p.m. Eastern Times, and here we go, guys, with the Charts of the Day, which is a session within Elliott Wave forecast that we publish every single day, in which we detail one of the instruments and explain it in a chart. You have to click in Elliott Wave forecast, see the Charts of the Day. You're going to get a detailed explanation of the 1 hour view plus a short video explaining also the view. Today we're going to take a look at Microsoft. Microsoft is very interesting, and I'm going to explain the reason why. Because Microsoft is rallying in what already technically and what it seems, unless this becomes an irregular, in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 waves from the lows, right? So the 5 waves in Microsoft from the lows, it will mean that soon Microsoft is gonna enter a selling, right? Sellers is gonna enter the market. But the idea of Microsoft in 1 hour can confuse buyers, right? That they believe that the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves is an opportunity to buy Microsoft around this area after 3 waves. We believe otherwise. There is a concept in Elliott Wave which is called a flat structure. And a flat structure is something that it looks like this. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But then it's part, those 5 waves, they are part of a bigger structure, which is a flat. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 5. Then the market sell off. When we look at Microsoft, yes, in the 1 hour, you can even say, like I say, that you can put this a 4 here or a 4 here, and the 5 being completed here. But if you guys notice, we put a B at the top. And the reason that we put a B at the top is because we believe that Microsoft is doing a flat from October 13. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 that might be completed. In that being the case, we believe that Microsoft 5 waves coming off the lows in 1 hour is going to be a trap, and that Microsoft, it might be entering another sell-off that it can take it to around 189 area, and that the 5 waves is a flat that is coming from here. Look at the structure, how similar it is. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2 new lows, then a strong reaction as a flat. If you look at the Elliott Wave structure, is 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and a 5. It looks identical, right? Yes, indeed. So we believe that Microsoft, these 5 waves, is a trap. We believe that maybe still can make before Friday another low, but it might be the case also that the peak here might be in place, and Microsoft is going to start a renew to the downtrend into a unique opportunity down the road to buy around 190, 188. So the charts of the day is the 5 waves in Microsoft and the possible trap to the buyers, and how a flat might be taking place. If you like the video, you like the charts of the day, please join us to the 14-day trials, or you can buy any of the plans that we offer in Elliott Wave, the silver, the gold, the platinum, and the diamond. So, and make a habit, guys, to visit Elliott Wave forecast on daily basis around 11 p.m. Eastern Time to get charts of the day and be able to see a clearer structure taking place in the next 24 hours. That's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.